Welcome back, YouTube. Cloud9 family here, on our way to the beach. We got my queen over there driving, Miss Kaylee. We got Kira. We got Cassidy, who's falling asleep. We got Kyler Gill. We got Carly Ray, Kenzie, Killian, and Cashy Boy in the back. Is everyone ready for a beach day? Woo-hoo! Oh, by the way, I just wanted y'all to know that I'm one of the best softball players in Morongo. Morongo Softball Champion 2021. That's what we do. Woo! 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 Woo!
All right, Cloud9 family, look at mommy. Who's ready for the beach?
Me!
Woohoo! What's up, Grandpa?
Howdy, howdy. The beach day.
Beach day. Keep it moving, keep it moving.
Okay.
Keep it moving. Come on, Carly Ray. You want to carry the chair instead?
It's easier to roll it right here. Kira, can you get out of the way? Good, Dad? Keep going with the wheels. I got the front.
Ready for the sunscreen, buddy bud? Time to do a little check-in with everyone. Hi, Grandpa Jim. How's it going?
Darn good.
What's up, Kenzie? Hi.
Hi.
Getting warm in the sun?
Yeah.
Sweet. Here's our little setup here. We got an awesome easy up, some chairs, a cooler with drinks. Mr. Cassidy being fussy. You don't want to play in the sand? Doesn't like to be uncomfortable. Over here, Carly Ray and Cash. What's up, guys? You're finding shells? Wow, let me see. Ooh, those are nice. And over here, we got Grandpa Jeff. Ooh, right in the face. Hi, Coo-Coo. Go in the water, Coo-Coo. How's it going, Grandpa?
Good.
Hi, Coo-Coo. Are you in the water? You're in the water, Coo-Coo. Yay! Yay, Coo-Coo. It's a beautiful day. We're out here in Huntington Beach, California. Hi, guys. Is that cold water? It's cold? I guess they're going to take the boogie boards out. Here goes Dad. Hi, Karen. How are you fine? Is the water too cold? She's charging it, huh?
Yeah.
Cassidy's like, nope, I'm good. Just sitting in the stroller. He's just sitting there in the stroller. Not interested. Here we are at the beach, guys. How freaking awesome is this? We're pretty stoked. It's my dad's birthday. That's pretty awesome. So yeah. Hi, Carly Rae. What you got? Wow. Huh? Ooh. Those are nice.
I'm not taking them in the water. I'm just walking them. Getting them warm.
Ah, look at those two out there. It's a rare sight that they get along. Yeah. But when they do, they're like besties. Let me see. A piece of a crab. That's its little picture. Oh, interesting. Isn't that interesting? Do you guys get used to the cold?
Nope.
Riley,
I
nope.
only want to take them.
Yeah?
Like, I'm not the very fan of
Bye.
I promise. I will try to forget you.
Hi, buddy, buddy. Hi, buddy, buddy. Thank you. Hi.
I'm not scared.
What happened? What happened? Did you get wet?
He's not into the water. Or the sand.
We got a few toys over here.
He's okay with that.
You want to play with the toys? I'm glad we came, babe. I said I'm glad we came. This is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Kenzie! Did Grandpa bury you? Oh my goodness! How are you gonna get out? Let's see you escape. Are you stuck?
I can get out of it.
Oh. Is it like a blanket?
Yeah.
A sand blanket? Huh?
It's sand pillow.
A sand pillow? What are you doing? Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, is that still alive? Show Dad. Go show Dad. Ask Grandpa what it is.
I can't get out of here.
You're stuck? I can't help you, you're over in the water. Hey, babe. Hi, Kara. Hi. Wow, look how low tide it is. You gotta jump into it. Here it goes! it. What are you doing, babe?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I was building a whirlpool for Cash. See, like, yes.
Oh yeah.
That stuff is gonna break.
Wash your hands.
Yeah, loosen your hands.
Hi, Cuckoo. Hi. You like the beach, Cuckoo? You like the beach? Hi, Cassidy. Are you happy now? You're having fun?
Girl.
Cassidy. Hi, Buddy Bud. Where's Buddy Bud? Cassidy finally cheered up. He's having so much fun now. Look at him go. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Hi. Hi, Joe. Hi, Joe. Having fun? Did you guys have fun at the beach? Yes, you did. Have fun at the beach. Hi, buddy. No, no. All right, here we are, and the beach was awesome. So we're loading the car up. The guys are loading up all the stuff and the kids. Head count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There we go. Good kids. Did everybody have fun at the beach?
Yeah.
It was a good time. We had a good time. So, yeah, here we go to Grandpa Jim's house to have a dinner feast for his birthday. And then we're going to head on home to Morongo Valley, where we live. So yeah. Thanks for tuning in. We love you guys so much. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.
fingers, Cash. Look.
I feel like I should have a lighter.
One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
On Channel 4.
It'll go viral.
Scooby-Doo on Channel 2.
Yeah, buddy.
Take this up to the butcher.